Hi all, my name is Ratnakishore. Welcome to Cast channel. In this video, I am going to explain you how we can get a dictionary from two lists. First we will see the objective. We have a list 1 and list 2. So we need to combine these lists to get a dictionary. Here the main requirement is list 1 and list 2 must have the same size. The process for it in Python is, consider here we have a list 1 with keys and list 2 with values. First we need to get a zip object by combining these two lists, and then we need to convert the zip object into a dictionary. Let me consider an example here. Here I have two lists. The list 1 is having strings, the list 2 is having integers. The list 1 and list 2 are combined to get a zip object. Here we can consider the zip object as an iterable object of tuples, where the first tuple contains the first element of both the lists and the second tuple contains the second elements of both the lists, and the third tuple contains the third element of the list 1 as well as the third element of the list 2. And then this zip object is converted as a dictionary, where n1, n2, n3 strings becomes keys and 100, 200, 100 integers becomes the corresponding values. Now we will see the implementation. We have these two lists. The Python is having a function zip. By using this zip function, we can combine list 1 and list 2 to get a single iterable zip object. And then we need to use another built-in function, that is dixt, to convert this zip object into a dictionary. To explain this concept, I am considering two lists here. The first list is names, which is having the names of 3 students, and the second list is marks, which is having the marks of the respective students. Now I am using a zip function, and then I am using names and marks lists as input arguments for this zip function. Then we will get a zip object which is nothing but zip underscore ref. After that I am using dict function to convert the zip object into a dictionary. Now I am displaying the dictionary. Then we got dictionary, where the keys are nothing but the names of the students and the values are nothing but the marks obtained by those students.